there's a lot of confusion about augmented chords. Like, what the hell is it? Why do you augment a chord? What do you even use it for?
Yeah, how could you use it in an old-time fiddling bluegrass context? So if you're playing a song in the key of G, fiddle players do this all the time. You have your 5 chord, you have your D, resolves back to the G, and this is such a common melody note. What about this move here? So we're basically taking the D chord, raising the 2nd fret of the G string to this. You hear fiddle players doing this all the time, which is just 1 note higher than the 2nd fret, which leads to this. A good example would be in the bluegrass song Daybreak in Dixie. The A section is 1, 2, 3, and... This is just the A section one more time. Now in the B section, people go like this. The B melody right there.
Yeah.
So what if you went like this on the B, 2, 3, and that's the way.
Sweet.
A lot of people, you hear people using that, and it gives a great tonality to this.
Yeah.
To this.
Yeah, I love it. Just to give you some context too, I feel like you hear that Kenny Baker does that a lot in bluegrass context. And you can even kind of trace that lineage back into, like you were talking about earlier, Texas fiddle traditions. Those folks really love that kind of move, right?
Yeah, it's totally jazzy, but those Texas fiddlers were total jazz players.
Yeah, absolutely.